there's a roundup happening in Alpine.
1 o'clock.
For decades, the mountains of West Texas have been missing their native desert bighorn sheep. Thanks to restoration efforts, they're making a comeback. These bighorn from Elephant Mountain are being relocated.
This is a ewe, and we've been doing an ultrasound on all of the ewes to check their pregnancy status. Right there on the bottom, there's the feet kicking, right there.
Many of the ewes are pregnant, with hopes for lambs in the spring. This project will establish a new herd in a location where bighorn sheep historically roamed, the Franklin Mountains.
When I see the first group going up the mountains, it was just a sense of like, wow, relief and amazement. What a majestic creature they're coming back into what once was their home. Bighorn sheep are going to have all this land to roam around, and hopefully they reproduce and bring new generations of bighorn sheep to West Texas. We're on the northeastern section of the park. We'll see if we are able to spot any lambs using the signal from the radios. The stronger the signal, the closer the animal is. It's coming from that direction. I'm listening for females that were hanging out in this area. They're not gonna be here. They're not in this area, so we have to move to another area for the south of the mountain range. The sheep are moving a lot across the landscape, so we have to be tracking them constantly, especially those ewes that are pregnant or with lambs. We really want to monitor them closely, ensure that they're doing okay. Hey Matthew, let's open up the website with the GPS location for the sheep so we can see where they are. And this is the group that we're gonna try to see tomorrow.
It looks like, so these are the 4 females that we're matching?
Yes, it's the 4 females with their lambs. So hopefully they're still in that vicinity so we can have a good visual of them. We're gonna have to start at the parking lot at 5 a.m.
Steep climb. Pretty sure that they wanna be behind a couple of hills from here.
This is quite a workout, man. Jeez. I'm surprised they're even up there. I mean, look how high up they are. That's crazy. I don't even know how they're able to just climb here like nothing. I mean, they're super adapted to this type of terrain.
Yeah, they are.
It's crazy.
So we have to get to that outcrop over there to see if the females with the lambs are still in there.
Cool.
Each lamb they find is a sign the herd is thriving, healthy, adapting, and writing a new chapter in the Franklin Mountains.
Look over there. I think I see something.
Oh, yeah. I think I see the silhouettes, yeah. How many you seen?
I think, yeah, I see one. I see a little one.
I'm seeing at least 3.
Oh. Yeah, there's a bunch.
Oh, yeah.
They're there. They're thriving in these mountains now. This is a sign that they're gonna do well and the population is gonna grow. Mission accomplished. Let's head back. Well, Matthew, we did it. We found them.
I say it was worth it.
Yes.
That was pretty cool.
We brought this sheep to this mountain range surrounded by the city, and they seem to be thriving. The future looks bright for this population in the Franklin Mountains.